didn't say it. I was on the line, you didn't.
Oh, it's Jason! What the? Ah!
Dude, where are you going? I heard you talking to somebody. Who'd you talk to? Let's do that. Just don't press stop. Don't press stop. I just cut it off and put it in the bloopers.
Good. What?
I'm actually recording.
Hey man, you know what I'm saying, man. Hey! Don't you touch me, son. I'm Jason. I will kill you. I will kill you!
Here, I'm gonna rape you when you get home.
No, I go first! What? Get off! Get off! What do you want me to do? Get over there!